Hello again, or hello for the first time. Behind me is IKEA, and we're going in to check out some Halloween merchandise. Let's go. Their website says that they have some Halloween-y merchandise, so we're gonna go see if that's true or not. That's the first challenge, and then we'll show it all to you. So if you're not familiar with this IKEA in Syracuse, New York, it's a smaller format, mall format store. It's about 1/3 the size, I think, of your regular IKEA. So they have a abbreviated departments, abbreviated Halloween sections. Let's go in, check it out, see what they have. Maybe we'll grab something to eat. I am craving some meatballs.
You guys are definitely new. Good.
Oh, they're cute.
Aren't they fun? And like, if you're happy or if you're having a rough day.
Yeah. And then up here there's some cacti.
Yeah, I don't recognize those either. They're really pretty.
It's $24.99. Must be for the set of 3. Those little lamps are new? Yeah. Oh, they're USB.
Cool.
That's fun.
Yeah.
I really love the size of the store because you can do it in like a half hour instead of your normal 2 or 3 hour investment that a normal IKEA has, and you can still like see a lot of the stuff on the wall. You might not be able to pick it up today, but it can be shipped right to your house, or you can like pick it up later in the week when you just place an order here. And you can do it right on your phone. You don't even have to like do it through their machines. You can just like log into your own like telephone. And then this is our kitchen right here. This is what we this is where we live. Right? We live here. Oh, you walked away. All right, you're living in that kitchen now. We remodeled already. Yeah. This is our kitchen, everyone.
See the view out our window?
Yeah,
Isn't it beautiful?
It is really nice. The view is just so pleasant. Okay, we have Halloween stuff to find.
Yeah.
We're goofing around. Oh, here we are. Have the whole collection here. Oh, look at the pillows. Toss pillows here. Oh, they're just the covers. They're $9.99. So you can just dress up your pillow you have already.
It's a set of 4. You get all of them. Because I was like, oh, which one do I like the most? The cute ghost or the angry cat? But you get all of them. And the little bat's cute and the little spider's cute.
There's a cat, angry cat mug, with a not so angry cat mug. Not so angry cat on the other side. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Little ghosty. And here's all of those plates. So there's the bat, there's the cat there, and the spider. And look at the ghost. And there's a 2-pack of like tea towels. There's a spider on this one, pumpkins on the other one. They're $5.99 for the 2 of them. Some napkins. Let's see the price of this. Oh, it's $2.49 for 30 of them.
$7.99. Look at how cute they are.
They're battery operated?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you'd have to hide that someplace.
It's a big honking battery.
Yeah.
But they're so cute. These are cute too, but I love these.
Yeah, those are like...
They're like Charlie Brown posts.
Dimensional.
Yeah.
3-dimensional. And these are flat up here. They have some of those 3-dimensional decorations. These are $4.99 for the 2-pack.
You could have the cutest sandwich.
Oh, a spider and a ghost.
Yeah. For their 2 little sizes.
Sandwich bags. $2.99 for a 60-pack. So you get the 2 different sizes in there.
And no one will take your snacks because they'll say, oh, there's a spider on it.
Yeah. It's $5.99 for these stickers. And they actually have them over on the other side over here. They're pretty large. I thought they were smaller looking at them online. Oh,
It's like ceramic little guys. They're so cute. And spooky ghost, he has fingers.
Little spider tea light holder. You can put your candle right there. And it's $1.99. Those are fun. Those are really great, actually. They're $9.99. These are pretty fun. Stackable tin containers that have lids. You can stack them, put your things in. Yeah. So lid here. If I can find the price of these, I will put it on the screen right now. But yeah, those are nice. That's nifty. I'd light up decoration. Put it on here. I don't know if you can see it. Lighting up all the jack-o'-lanterns. It's pretty cool. I like that. It's nice. And here's a glass bowl with lid. You can see right through this ghost. It's $14.99. Here's another tea light holder. It looks like a haunted house. And it's got some cats in the windows. That's really cute. Oh, there's a ghost over here. Put the chimney back on. Yeah, and a nice little setup here they have. It's just really cool how they decorated this one chair over here also. They have some cookie cutters down at the bottom right there. And also some doormats right here. The ghosty doormat for $14.99. Look at this cat. That'll keep your guests away, right? And look at this battery operated neon-y type sign. It's ghost and it's two-sided. It's really fun. It takes I think it said 3 AA batteries. It's $20. Pretty decent size for that, isn't it? Oh, I found that throw. Look how big those ghosts are on that. And that's really decently priced. What was that? That was like $12.99 for this. That's pretty great. Look at that.
It's reversible.
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, it's reversible.
Yeah, so look at this. Has white background, black ghost.
Cool.
Black background, white ghost.
And of course, they do have a lot more at other stores because this is a smaller IKEA and online. And I was actually looking through their app, and one of the cool things that they have here, like, oh, here's that mug. Wait, it actually has a how to pronounce what it is, because I would say KUSTFUR.
KUSTFUR.
Oh, is that loud enough?
KUSTFUR.
Oh, I wouldn't say it like that, but I can.
KUSTFUR.
So you can say the IKEA product correctly. That's a neat feature like that. So now we're in the bedding department for whatever reason. Probably just because we had to walk through here, but we're going to get a few things. I'm going to get these, but I think we're going to go grab something to eat. So let's do that. Here in the candle department, they have some fall stuff. So there's a candle that's a pumpkin in a glass container. Got it like a gourd over here. A few other things. These are really nice. Look at that. Look at that gold. Oh, look at that tray back there. That's fun. And some more candle accessories here. Like some bowls for potpourri or whatever you need to put in them. And some wreaths and sprays and things. Oh, look at that. Look, if you like mums, these will never die. They're $24.99. Pretty. That look nice on the front door, or this other one here too. I like that. That's nice. A little wheat coming out of the leaves. Wheat and leaves. Here's another one. Look at the size of this one. This is just leaves without the wheat. Look at that. I don't know how much this is because they're still putting some stuff out. It looks like they need to get some signs up. Oh, there's a full-size maple tree in here. Look at that. How much is that? $69.99. It looks semi-realistic for something you don't have to water, you know?
Yeah.
And that's new. And they have some pots down here. I think I've seen those before. We've reached the end, and here's their little pickup section if you have some furniture you needed to get. This is their self-serve furniture area, and it looks like they widened this wall. It used to just be a door coming through here, but they really made it a little bit bigger here. This is really well organized. This is a little mini IKEA self-serve area. If you haven't been to one, leave us a comment down below. What do you think of this tiny little area? It's kind of cute, right? And now we're in their as-is section, all the discontinued stuff or old displays and the returned items. I found a kitchen table we need. Not quite. And yeah, so everything in here is marked down. And we bought a couple things at the one in Conshohocken. Is that what we like to just say? Philadelphia. Conshohocken. But yeah, and they're really helpful when you need to get something. You just have to tell them, like if we wanted that shelf here, we'd find a coworker and they would say, okay, well, we'll take it off the wall for you because it's secured to the wall here. Okay, there we go. We got 2 plant balls.
Yeah.
Plant balls.
Thanks, dear.
And I love the fact that they have trays here now. Delicious. These are just like the regular ones, except without all the kind of greasiness. Thanks for joining us at our little trip to IKEA to see what Halloweeny stuff they had. You know, it is July, a little early in my book, but we still bought some stuff. I thought they had some cute stuff. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I mean, we definitely don't need more Halloween stuff, and we got it anyway, so we're contributing to the problem.
If you did like this video, consider subscribing. Make sure you click the thumbs up button, and we'll see you on our next little road trip. Bye!